areas.
Watch it. This is the frequency. 2.45 megahertz with a power of 300 watts. This programming originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey, and is broadcast through facilities provided by Atlantic Coast Communications. This station provides 7-day generalized public forecasts for East Central New Jersey, marine forecasts for the New Jersey and the nearby Long Island coastal waters, as well as hourly weather observations for the region, continuously, 24 hours a day. Specific area message encoder, or SAME, tones will be set for short fused. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor, Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles until 4 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds over 35 knots 5 nautical miles north of Raritan Bay, moving east at 20 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Lower New York Harbor, the Verazon Narrows, Sandy Hook Bay around 3:35 p.m., Sandy Hook around 3:40 p.m., Rockaway Inlet around 3:55 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor, Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles until 4 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds over 35 knots 5 nautical miles north of Raritan Bay, moving east to 20 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Lower New York Harbor, the Verazon Narrows, Sandy Hook Bay around 3:35 p.m., Sandy Hook around 3:40 p.m., Rockaway Inlet around 3:55 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards for East Central New Jersey. Station WXM 60 from Southard, Howell Township, on a frequency of 162.45 megahertz.
The offshore waters forecast for south of Long Island between Montauk Point and Sandy Hook